अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस। आज की इस वीडियो में हम पढ़ेंगे फिबोनाची नंबर स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 0 and 1. Each additional is obtained as the sum of the previous two. You can find the first and Fibonacci number with the for loop from 1 to n and 8. At each iteration, calculate the next number by using the previous two, which you will keep in two additional variables. Multiply by the numbers from k plus 1 to n. Think why this is correct. You may check the properties of the factorial function in Wikipedia. One solution is to calculate separately each factorial and to perform the respective operations with the result. Think how you can optimize the calculations in order to not calculate too many factorials in fractions of factorials. There are many possibilities to reduce the same factors in the numerator and denominator. These optimizations will not only reduce the calculations and increase the performance, but will save you from overflows. In some situations, you might need to use a raised number to hold the factor in the numerator and in the denominator, and to cancel the fraction. You may read about arrays in the chapter Arrays. Use the same concept of cancelling the fraction of simple factor like you probably did in the previous problem. You may also read more about the Catalan number in Wikipedia and use in the correct formula for calculating them. You can solve the problem with a for loop for k is equal to 0 and by using three rational variables, factorial, power and sum, in which you will keep for the k iteration of the loop respectively kx, k and the sum of first k member of sequence. If your implementation is good, you should have only one loop, and you should not use external functions to calculate factorials and to raise power. You should use two nested loops similar to the problem entering a triangle. The outer loop must run from 1 to n and the inner from the value of the outer loop to the value of the outer loop plus n1. The number of zeros at the end of n depends on how many times the number n is a divisor of the factorial. Because the product 1, 2, 3 n has a greater number of divisors 2 than 5, and because n is equal to 2, 5, then the number of zeros in n is exactly as many as the multipliers with value 5 in the product 1, 2, 3, and because every fifth number is divisible by 5 and every 25th number is divided by 5 2 times etc. The number of zeros in n is the sum n over 5 plus n over 25 plus n over 125 plus 8 in Wikipedia. What numerical system are after that? Consider how you can convert number from decimal numeral system to another. Think about the opposite moving from another system to decimal. If you have डिफिकल्टी सी द चैप्टर न्यूमेरल सिस्टम। गाइस अगर आपको ये हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें और बेल आइकन के घंटी के निशान को